In today's tutorial, make sure you have disable sleep mode on your Asus laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Windows search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left side, select System. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says Power. Go ahead and select that. And then where it says on this page, Screen and Sleep Timeouts near the top, click the drop down. And for plugged in and battery mode, you're going to have to make separate selections if you're on a laptop or tablet device. Where it says Make My Device Sleep After, click the drop down and select Never. You can do the same thing for turning off the screen duration as well. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.